The Nova Scotia Human Rights Act safeguards fair treatment for everyone in the province. It covers interactions with all provincially regulated entities, including businesses and organizations, along with their employees or members.
This law recognizes 20 protected characteristics and 7 prohibited areas. Protected characteristics encompass various aspects of identity, visible or invisible, permanent or periodic. Discrimination based on these characteristics is prohibited.
They include age, race, color, religion, creed, ethnic, national or aboriginal origin, sex, including pregnancy and pay equity, sexual orientation, physical disability, mental disability,
family status, marital status, source of income, harassment and sexual harassment, irrational fear of contracting an illness or disease, association with protected groups or individuals, political belief, affiliation or activity,
gender identity, gender expression, or retaliation. Some of these characteristics are easier to understand than others. For example, sex refers to an individual's biological sex, man, woman, intersex, and includes pregnancy. Discriminating against someone based on their sex or pregnancy status is against the law.
Irrational fear of contracting an illness or disease was introduced as a protected characteristic in the wake of the AIDS crisis. It prohibits discrimination because someone has or is suspected of having an illness or disease. Retaliation is also prohibited. If someone faces differential treatment for seeking protection under the Human Rights Act, it's considered discrimination. Filing a complaint should not result in harassment or mistreatment. Commonly cited grounds for discrimination complaints in Nova Scotia include race, color, and physical or mental disability. For a complaint to be valid under the Nova Scotia Human Rights Act, an individual must have a protected characteristic and experience differential treatment in one of the 7 prohibited areas.
They include employment, housing, services and facilities such as stores, restaurants, or provincially funded programs, purchase or sale of property, volunteer public service, publication, broadcasting, or advertisement, and membership in a professional, business, or trade association or employers or employees organization.
If you believe you've been discriminated based on one of the 20 protected characteristics in one of the 7 prohibited areas, you may have a complaint under the Human Rights Act. Learn more about your rights and responsibilities at humanrights.novascotia.ca.